Welcome to the first challenge of eating competition hosted by Jamot Company, Nature Blac CEO. Okay, this challenge you're gonna eat 10 akpu with. You got this, okay? Yeah, this is the challenge. You finish 10 akpu. We got the first contestant. Hey, niggas, don't rush. Okay, the first contestant goes by the name. Okay, let's hear. What about you? What's your name?
My name is John Odiba.
Okay, John Odiba. What about you?
Jizo.
We got Jizo here and Linus. Okay, welcome.
I just.
Okay, at the count of 5, we are going to begin. Hello, please calm down. Hello. At the count of 5, we are starting. 1, make sure you finish your akpu and finish your soup and finish your meat. Make sure you finish the akpu and finish your soup and your meat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's begin. Okay, you can see this is the energy. It's going. Okay. It's going. Live, Jizo! Yeah, 3 minutes for the challenge. Okay. Your time is going. Okay. Where are you watching from? Comments. Follow up Jamot Company Entertainment. And make sure you stream Sabon Kaduna. Okay. Live at Karatudu bus stop. Yeah, let's go. One minute 25 seconds. 1 minute 25 seconds. Let's go. Make sure you follow Jamot Company. Okay. Yeah, Jesus is in it. Jesus. Yeah. 50 seconds left. You have 50 seconds left. 50 seconds left. Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, Finally, Jizo is the winner of the competition. Okay, John, how many is left for you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You tried, but you didn't finish it. Okay, Linus, how many is left for you? 1, 2, 3. Jizo empty. So shout out to Jizo. Okay. Jizo, on behalf of Jamo's company, I'm giving you this as a token of appreciation. Okay, for more of this challenge, follow Jamo's company online. Always follow the page and comment where you're watching for. If you want to participate next, follow my page and comment. Peace out. To the wall.
Contestants, I will wake camera. I'm going to go live now. Don't catch up behind this one don't go win.
Southern Kaduna Zua, Northern Kaduna, Uzoma Tariwia, one Kaduna, this made it discovery, brothers and sisters.
Some people they vex so Shana give out man.